Most welcome dear students of class 7th. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 5th, adverb, page number 43. Firstly, I would like to tell you the definition of adverb. Dear students, as you had been taught in class 6th in your previous class about adverb, so focus on the definition. Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, there are two examples written here. I exercise every day. Here every day word is adverb. She will meet me today. Today word is adverb. The two are adverbs. And now I will tell you about all the kinds of adverb. There are 6 kinds of adverb, dear students. You can watch in your book. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb, and adverb of region. These are the kinds of adverb. So firstly I am going to tell you about adverb of time. Dear students, adverb of time show us the time at which an action takes place. You can ask a question with when an action is done. Usually adverb of time is placed at the end of the sentence. For example, here the word before in this example, I have met you before. Here the word before is adverb of time. Some examples I am writing here for your benefit. Dear students, these are some words that are used in place of adverb of time. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, later, now, all day, last year, for 1 year, since 2019. So these are the words that show that when the action is done, they are adverb of time. Next topic is adverb of frequency. So I am going to tell you about adverb of frequency. The definition of adverb of frequency, listen it very carefully. The adverb of frequency shows us how often something happens. It shows us how often something happens. Mean to say any action is how often done. So example, he helped me. Here main verb is help. So how often he helped me. So here one more word I am going to add. Regularly. The word regularly is adverb of frequency. It shows that how often an action is done. Some words I am writing here that are adverb of frequency. Hourly, annually, usually, often, seldom, daily, etc. These are the words, they are used as adverb of frequency. And now our next topic is adverb of place. I am going to tell you about adverb of place. Dear student, adverb of place show us where something happens. So some examples I am writing here, you can understand. The example is written here. The man has gone out. Here the word out is adverb of place. Some more words I am writing here that are adverb of place. In, on, above, below, near, far, etc. These words are adverb of place. Dear students, now I am going to tell you about adverb of manner. Our next topic is adverb of manner. Dear student, listen what is the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner show us how something happens. It shows us the manner of to happening something. For example, she writes neatly. Here neatly word is used for write, and it shows that how she writes. So you will get answer neatly. Adverb of manner, the word neatly is adverb of manner. What some more examples I am writing here? Clearly, closely, well, hard, happy, etc. These are the words, those are adverb of manner. And dear students, next point that I am going to describe is adverb of degree. You can watch in your book We are on page number 44, chapter number 5th. Now listen about adverb of degree. Adverb of degree show the intensity of an action. For example, I am so satisfied. Here the word so is adverb of degree. Some more examples I am writing here to understand you. Dear students, these are some more words I have written here. Absolutely, to, enough, very, extremely, so, some more words. They all are used as adverb of degree. They used to show the intensity of an action. Dear students, now I am going to tell you about interrogative adverb. Listen carefully about interrogative adverb. Dear students, interrogative adverb is used to ask questions, and the interrogative adverb are always used before at the beginning of the sentence. For your understanding, I am going to write 5WH with the help of it, 4WH. With the help of it, you can learn easily that how many words are interrogative adverb. First, when, where, and why. One more, that is not WH, that is how. So you can say that 3WH. But how we are including it? So there are 4 words: when, where, why, and how. These 3 are WH, and one more how. They are used as interrogative adverb. For example, why are you sad? So here the word why, that is interrogative adverb. And our last topic is adverb of reason. Dear students, listen about adverb of reason. It is used to express the reason for an action. Adverb of reason used to express the reason for an action. If any action is being done, then what is the reason behind it? For example, try to understand. I was hungry. And now I will write adverb of reason. So this is adverb of reason. So I ate reason. So the word so is adverb of reason. Some more words I am writing here that will help you to understand adverb of reason. Hence, God, so therefore, etc. These are some words. They all are adverb of reason. So dear student, in this video, now we are going to complete the definition of all the kinds. I hope you understand it properly. And in our next video, we will solve all the exercises. You can see in your book at page number 45, exercise A, that is given, and you are given some instruction in the bracket, mean which adverb you have to fill. In first sentence, you have to fill adverb of time. In second sentence, you have to fill adverb of degree. So try to do all these exercises. If you are unable to do, then I will help you in our next video. And this type, lots of examples, exercises are given here. So try to learn, try to complete all the exercises, and in our next video, I will help you to solve all the exercises, and I will give you some more knowledge related to adverb. Thank you.